A Charlotte nonprofit is leading the way when it comes to funding rare cancer studies. Swim Across America is headquartered in Charlotte, but helping save lives across the entire country. WCNC Charlotte's Michelle Bowden shows us how Swim Across America is seeking solutions to pay for research when others won't.
The CEO of Swim Across America told us he's getting more calls than ever before, often from oncologists themselves asking for funding for research that has proven to change the face of cancer treatments.
It's amazing. It's like science fiction. It's like, you're looking into the future.
Maureen Sidaris calls it magic.
The tumor was completely gone. I started in October, and by January, no more tumor. Tumor gone, completely gone. It was like magic. Unbelievable.
The 71-year-old was diagnosed with a rare stomach and esophageal cancer in 2022. Her prognosis wasn't good, and her initial treatment plan wasn't either.
The prognosis was that I would have to go through surgery and chemotherapy and radiation. It would have been a long journey.
Instead, her doctor found a clinical trial that meant just 9 immunotherapy infusions. After 6 months, she was declared cancer-free.
I mean, it's unbelievable, and it's true. You can see it in front of your very eyes.
Dr. Michael Flood is part of a team of doctors leading the clinical trial. It was paid for, in part, by Swim Across America. The Charlotte-based nonprofit hosts charity swims that fund cancer research and patient programs.
When the oncologist said, let's try this, but who's going to fund it? Who's going to step in and do what we call high risk, high reward? Who's going to give us the $2 million in grant funding? We put our hands in the air and said, we will do that.
Rob Butcher, the CEO of Swim Across America, says the nonprofit has raised more than $100 million since it was founded in 1987. They typically give away $10 million annually and helped pay for the trial that Maureen and her doctors say saved her life.
In order to do research on rare cancers, the government doesn't always like to fund rare cancer research. By applying for philanthropic support through foundations like Swim Across America, we can fund small studies that other people don't want to fund.
Butcher says what Swim Across America is doing is more important now than ever before.
The federal funding situation is very challenging. A lot of people are very worried about that. And with that uncertainty, having the foundational support from Swim Across America, from other organizations, is crucial.
This year, I've gotten more calls from oncologists, and we're funding over 250 oncologists throughout the country.
And he says people like Maureen are the reason why.
She's a grandparent. She'll be able to hold her grandchild for the first time. That's so meaningful. That's so purposeful. And for us, yes, we're headquartered in Charlotte, but our impact is not just in the Charlotte community. Our impact is worldwide.
More than 150 Olympian swimmers, including Michael Phelps, work with Swim Across America. They're hosting a Charlotte swim this fall. Reporting in Charlotte, Michelle Bowden, WCNC Charlotte.